Hi guys, this is Mr. Richard. In this video, we are going to work with exponents that involves multiplication, addition, and subtraction. If you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Let's do the right thing. Let's subscribe and grow the channel. And don't forget to share the video. And don't forget to like the video. Right, let's get started. Well, in this video, we are specifically going to work with exponents. So we are going to work with exponents, right? First thing first, you need to split prime bases into prime factors. That's the first thing that we need to do in this case. So we will change 9 into prime factor. So this will be 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. And 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. This one is already splitted. Then we have 3 to the power of 3x minus 2. Then what we can do is to split 12. When we split 12, we are going to have 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, x to the power of x plus 1. Second step, it's applying the laws of exponents, right? So this power, this exponent will multiply the power. So we are going to have 4x plus 2 as well as 2 to the power of 2x plus 2, right? Let's work out the denominator. 3 to the power of 3x minus 2. Let's work out this bracket. Everything will be powered by x plus 1 there. So it will be x plus 3 to the power of x plus 1. 2 times x, that will be 2 to the power of 2x, and 2 multiplied by 1, that will be 2, that will be plus 2. Third step will be, we are still gonna apply the laws of exponents. With the denominator, we have a law of exponent that we can apply. Remember, that says when the bases are the same, you add the exponents. That's the law. So since the bases are the same, we are going to say 3x minus 2 plus it's minus 2 plus x plus 1. Okay, yes. Then we left this one remains the same, 2x plus 2. So let's continue working. We have 3 to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 2 there. Right, like terms, 3x plus x, that will be 4x negative 2 minus 1. It's the same as saying, remember that negative 2 plus minus 1 is the same as saying 1 minus 2, which will be minus 1, right? Okay. Then we have 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. Another law that will be working in this case again, when the bases are the same, when there's division, we subtract the exponent. So we could have 4x plus 2 subtracted by 4x minus 1 multiply by 2x plus 2 subtracted 2x plus 2. Remember, we subtract with this 2x plus 2. Remember, we apply the law that says when the bases are the same, when there's division, you subtract the exponent in this case. So let's continue. So what we could do in this case, we could say 3 to the power of 4x plus 2. This minus subtract affect everything that is inside the bracket. So we could have negative 4x plus 1, right? So in this case, we are going to have 2x plus 2. And then the minus affects everything that is inside the bracket. So we are going to have 2x minus 2. Then let's continue further. 4x minus 4x, that will be 0. And we have 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 3. 2x minus 2x, that will be 0. And 2 minus 2, that will be 0. 2 to the power of 0. It's a law. When a base is powered by 0, it will always give us 1. So we are going to have 1 times 3 to the power of 3, which will be... So we are not done. 3 to the power of 3 is the same as 27. So 27 times 1 is the same as 27. So that's the case. That's the case in this case. Right, that's the solution. Right, then let's go to our last question. Now we are focusing on the one that is addition and subtraction. Or when you're given addition and subtraction, the first thing is to split the bases into prime factors. But in this case, we will break this. We are going to say 3 to the power of 2x and 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2x multiply by 3 to the power of 1, right? So we could say 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. It just be spelled actually using the reverse law of exponents, right? The reverse law. Remember, when the bases are the same, we add the exponent. So it's a reverse. It's a reverse of this. So that's what is happening in this case. So we are also gonna use the reverse law. 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. So we are going to look at the common factor. Common factor, it's 3 to the power of 2x. Then what are we left with here? We are left with 3 to the power of 2 plus 3. Okay. And similarly, on the denominator, we are left with 3 to the power of 2 subtracted by 3 there. So this and this, they cancel. We know 3 to the power of 2, that will be 9 plus 3 there. And we know this will be 9 minus 3. So we know that 9 plus 3, that's 12, isn't it? So we have 12, and we know that 9 minus 3, that is 6, right? So how many times does 6 goes into 12? It goes 2 times. So that's the solution. Hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Remember, we love you.